Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to reset your carrier AC remote. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and remove the batteries, okay, from your carrier AC remote. And after you do that, I want you to go ahead and leave the batteries out for at least 30 seconds, okay? And then just press and hold the power button and fit the batteries back in. If possible, try to use new batteries, okay, on the remote and put them in as you're holding the power button for at least 10 to 15 seconds, and the AC remote should actually start to reset. Should see the screen going blank and then lighting back up. And it's really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.